I'm back in that patch under the power lines. I finished that hurdle I made out of goat willow. I'm going to try and sort it out a bit in here. Going to plant some willow cuttings, clear up the brush, and then I might try and lay a few of the hazel on the edges into the middle so there'll be more hazel and less willow. Because the willow, although it worked, it's not great. They're a bit bent. Yeah, I definitely prefer the hazel. So if we get more hazel in here, it would be great. But I'm going to put the willow in because it's so easy to do the cuttings. I decided to make another hurdle. I bodged up the mould. This one's a bit different because there's bits of sycamore in it, and I'm cutting bits of blackthorn up over there, so I might try that. Bit of ash, yeah, just whatever's lying around, and it'll tidy this lot up. There, another one, so that's another mixed one. This one was interesting because I put bits of sycamore in it and it didn't work very well. This upright sycamore, that worked nice. This one going across here with sycamore and it's split. I tried to cleave a sycamore and it was rubbish, just didn't work. So I don't think I'd use that again. What else? Oh yeah, this was interesting. So this is a goat willow, this upright. And I don't know if you can see how much it's bent there. And that's because I used the hazel here. And the hazel's stronger than the willow, so it bent it. Yeah. But apart from that, it's alright. It's not the best hurdle in the world, but it's used up a load of this stuff lying around. Anyway, let's go.